In today's video, I'm going to show you how to view code on Squarespace and exactly where you can place custom scripts, including the header, footer, and even specific pages like the order confirmation and order status page. Let's start by opening your browser and heading to the Squarespace homepage. Logging there. Once logged in, access your website dashboard. You'll land in the back end of your site, where we can begin customizing. Click on the search icon, a magnifying glass, then type code. This is the quickest way to access all of Squarespace's code-related settings. From the search results, click on Code Injection. This is where you can add code to Squarespace that loads across your site. You'll find fields for inserting code into the header and footer, ideal for analytics, tracking pixels, or third-party scripts. Use the header code injection box for scripts that should load early, like Google Analytics or SEO tags. Use the footer code injection box for scripts that can load later, such as chat widgets or retargeting tools. There you will also find order confirmation and order status code too. Just note that the code injection feature is only available on premium Squarespace plans. So if you're on a basic one, you'll need to upgrade to unlock full access. Finally, remember, always test your code, avoid violating Squarespace's terms, and make sure you back up anything you change. And that's it. You now know how to view and add code on Squarespace, whether it's in the header, footer, or pages like order confirmation and order status. If this guide helped, give it a like and subscribe for more Squarespace tips.